learning. In this session, we will learn about the shuffle parameter in the train test split function. And the main idea of this course is to show how the shuffle parameter will work along with the stratify and with the random set. So let us import the numpy library, and the train test split function will execute this, and it is imported. Then we will create our data set where it will create a x and y will be created, and after that we will execute this line where we will have the features is x, y is the label, and the train test split is 0.4, followed by the random state which is none. So when we execute this, since the random state is none, every time when we execute, the value of the x train, x test, y train, y test will keep on changing. After this, if we change the value of random state from none to 1, suppose you can change it to any value, any numeric number, and then if you change it, if you execute it n number of times, the value remains the same. What if you give the shuffle parameter here? If you execute this, since shuffle is true, so it is almost behaving like random state is equals to none. Okay. After this, if you what we'll do, we will make shuffle is equals to false. If we make shuffle is equals to false, how it will behave. So what it will do, we have the number of our feature is from 0 to 9. So first 6 number will go into x, and the other 6 number will go into y, and n number of time you execute, it will remain. Along with this, shuffle is equals to false. If we give is equal to some number, you take some number, and if you execute this, what will be the change in the value? It will also remain the same, because here our shuffle is equal to false. So if you change this shuffle is equal to false, and if you now execute the random state, okay, so for the first time the value will be created with randomly, but after the first execution it remains the same any number of time you execute. You can see the number here. I am executing this 58, 59, 60th execution, but the number remains the same. What if we give shuffle is equal to false? Okay, we have already tested that. So what we can say here, after this till now what we have done, we can say that shuffle is equal to false and random state is as good as random state is equal to 1. Like in shuffle is equal to false, it will start from 0 till 5, and the value of the x test will start from 0 till 5. But in the random state, the very first iteration it will be formed in the different randomly, but after that the the value remains the same no matter how many times you execute. We will give shuffle is equal to true, okay, and then we will give random state is equal to none. How it will behave? So shuffle is equal to true. If we give shuffle is equal to true, okay, and random state is equal to 1, so the value remains the same. Now if you change this random state to 3 or change this to 42, so the first time it changed, okay, and after that it won't change. Then if you give random state is equals to none, every single time the value will be formed with a different set of. Now what we will do, we will go like shuffle parameter will not work with stratify. If we have here stratify parameter is nothing like it gives us the proportion of the values the classes. That is the main idea of stratify, that we will see just now. We'll look into this. Suppose if we execute this, the very important thing what it says, the least populated class in y has only one member. What is the value of y for us? The value of y is, it's from start from 0 till 10. Okay, there are 10 numbers. 0 till 10 means 0 to 9 it will be there. So what we need to do, we will create our own class y is equals to np.array, so that it has only zeros and ones. Okay, suppose now if we execute this, it should be executed. So you can see the proportion of y train is 1 is to 0. What is the ratio? 3 is to 3, which is 1 is to 1, and the proportion of values in y test is also 2 is to 2, which is means if I add this, the count of ones and the count of 0 in y test is 2 is to 2, and the count of 0 and count of 1 is y train is 3 is to 3. 3 is to 3 means 1 is to 1, and here 2 is to 2 means 1 is to 1. Now, but there are certain limitations. If we give shuffle is equals to, if we give this shuffle is equals to false, then it will not work. Definitely. Stratified train test split is not implemented for shuffle is equals to false. It only works with shuffle is equals to true. If you want to have shuffle is equals to, true, then it will be executed successfully. For shuffle is equals to false, it will not be executed, as I have shown. Okay, so in this session what we have learned is how the shuffle parameters work, how the random state work, and how the stratified parameters. Thanks a lot for watching this session. If you feel this video is helpful, please press the like button and subscribe to this channel. If you have any questions or any query, please post in the comment section. I'll be glad to answer your queries. Thank you.